Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful headband. I use 5mm hook and yarn. This is cotton yarn. I'm going to start by making a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot, yarn over, pull up yarn, make chains. 3 chains, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 20 chains in here. You're just gonna need to work an even number of stitches. When you're done your foundation chain, we are going to slip a stitch like this. Ensure that I don't twist my chain. I'm going remove my hook into first chain, ensure that I don't twist my chain. Insert your hook into first chain, yarn over, make a slip stitch, make 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to this chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make double crochet, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Go to last stitch, make 1 double crochet. In here I have 20 stitches with these chains. Go to top of first chains in here, pull up yarn, make a slip stitch, make 2 chains, yarn over, make 2 chains, yarn over, take first stitch on your hook. I show this is chains, this is first stitch. Take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 double crochet around this stitch, make front post double crochet in here, yarn over, go to this space in here, make 1 double crochet in top of this stitch, take this stitch on your hook, make front post double crochet, go to this space, make 1 double crochet in top of this stitch, go to next stitch, make front post double crochet, go to this space, make 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, make front post double crochet, 1 double crochet, go to next stitch, front post double crochet, 1 double crochet, front post double crochet, make front post double crochet in last stitch, go to top of these chains, slip stitch, make 1 2 chains, yarn over. In here, go to top of this front post double crochet. In here, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, take this double crochet, make 1 double crochet, go to top of front post double crochet, make 1 double crochet, take this double crochet on your hook, make 1 front post double crochet. We are going to front post double crochet now into the first stitch, so run that first double crochet of the previous round, run a front post double crochet, and then we are going to double crochet into the next stitch. So we are going to work our front post double crochet into the double crochet from the previous round, then we are going to the double crochet into the front post double crochet from the previous row, and continue like this. Make 1 double crochet, 1 front post double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 front post double crochet, in here make 1 double crochet in top of last stitch, slip stitch, 2 chains, take this stitch on your hook, make front post double crochet, go to top of this stitch, make double crochet stitch, continue. make 2 chains, take this stitch on your hook, go to this stitch, make front post double crochet, double crochet, front post double crochet, double crochet, and continue. Go to top of this first stitch, slip stitch, 2 chains. In here, go to this space, make 1 double crochet, go to this stitch, front double crochet, front post double crochet. Make front post double crochet, 1 double crochet stitch in here, go to top of first chains, slip stitch. I made 56 centimeters in here. This is suitable for 56 centimeters. Measure with your head. This is suitable for adults. Join the sides together. Hide this yarn under a stitch. Like this. Fold it. Fold this part and this. Join the sides together.